In this episode, I hang out by the pool to find a spot to show my latest sneaker acquisitions, and I open the SNKRFlea mystery box. That's f***ing awesome.
What's up, folks? This is Hosselhoff. I'm back, and today I wanted to show you guys what I've gotten in the last few weeks or months, actually, since my last sneaker video. And I wanted to do it out here because it's such a beautiful day, and I love being outside right now, especially since I'm not stuck in bed with COVID anymore. But I'm probably just gonna do it underneath this umbrella here, because out here in the sun, it's nice and it's a beautiful day, but it's pretty hot. I'm already sweating standing out here for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna probably put some stuff down here and show you what I got. Also, something a little exciting. I don't know what's in here. This is the SNKRFlea mystery box, although it's more like a mystery bag. This is supposed to be 2 shirts, so they're probably BAPE or ASSC. I think it was $130 or so. But the cool part about it is that it's not a sneaker mystery box or mystery bag, but it does have a golden ticket. So this one may or may not, I don't know, but I think out of 400 they put like 25 golden tickets. And so, like, just like the Willy Wonka thing, if you have a golden ticket inside here, you'd win the shoe that's on there. They even have an AirMag golden ticket, so you could win, you know, a $10,000 shoe just by getting one of these $130 mystery bags that Harrison, of course, was working with SNKRFlea on and mentioned on his video. And they sold out in like 30 minutes, and I obviously was able to get one. I saw it come up and bought it when it was open, so we'll see. That's pretty exciting. I'll open that and show you what's in there. And also wanted to show you the 2 new shoes that I've gotten since my last video. So this box here is the Adidas NMD collaboration, just like the Human Races that I like, but my brother actually bought these for me, and obviously they were white. I've worn them maybe 6 or 7 times already, and you can see, like, since they're white shoes, even without much wear, they get a little dirty. So it's a very comfortable shoe though. I like it a lot. The problem is that they're white, so I could keep these pretty clean. I'm usually not one to clean my shoes regularly. I just, you know, like white, for example, if they're leather loafers, maybe I'll clean them a bit, but most of the time the white stuff I really just kind of, you know, wear until they get grody and let go of them. So these came in this box from my brother. They're size 10. List price is only 130 bucks, which is pretty darn good. And I think the NMD Adidas right now, a lot of the big sneakerheads are kind of down on them. I still like them, but the folks who are really into the scene, and many of you guys, probably look down upon the NMDs, maybe because they're just a little played out. They've done a lot of them. The market's pretty full of them. But what I like about this NMD Boost versus the Human Races is that there's a little more structure. So with the Human Races, there isn't any of this structure here on the laces, and there's a knit on the Human Races that's about here. But this one just feels a little bit more snug on my foot with slightly more amount of structure. When you do wear them though, I noticed that this Adidas, I mean, I've worn this less than 10 times, and like this Adidas logo here at the corner is already wearing off. You can kind of see that it's wearing off a little bit, but $130 shoe, I think it's a pretty good value. I think it's a cool looking shoe, and you know, you can get them in a number of colors, but this is a gift from my brother. He saw that I like the Human Races and got me one of these. I think it's a good fit. So I've worn these a few times. I like them quite a bit. I'll also show you the pair that I picked up on GOAT. I was looking for a new pair that was multicolored. I don't mean like tie-dye multicolored, but more like some black in it and then some fun color. And I'm particular to orange, as many of you might know. And this Game of Thrones collaboration with Adidas, this Ultra Boost, clearly I have a lot of Adidas here, is
one of the Targaryen examples. So if you watch Game of Thrones, or if you've ever heard of it, there's a bunch of families, and each of these collaborations are named after them. The Targaryens were known for working with dragons and fire and stuff like that. So this is supposed to be reminiscent of that, with the dragon and fire and stuff like that. And these are called the Fire and Bloods. And they're pretty cool. I got these off of Goat, barely used, and they're pretty fun. I like the fact that they're kind of a reverse moldy, where they're party in the front, business in the back. But these are pretty fun shoes. I think I can wear these a lot. I wear a lot of black, and the black and orange, and plus the orange matches the Wraith. But I think they're a fun shoe. I've never seen them before. I've never seen anybody wear them. So I was able to pick these up, barely used, for a couple $100, and I think it was a pretty good value. So I was looking for something new. These kind of fit the bill. So something else interesting about them is that they have the Game of Thrones inside the sole there. And these are Ultra Boosts. These are based on Ultra Boosts, so they're still a very comfortable shoe, and just the outside is a little bit different. But I think they're a fun shoe, and one more that I've now added to my new collection. You can see that it's got the Adidas and Game of Thrones stuff on the tissue paper. All right, we'll put those back. And finally, we have the SNKRFlea mystery bag, sorry. So I'm gonna cut this open, see what it has. I don't think I'll be too disappointed if it doesn't have one in there, but wouldn't it be cool if it did? I've not opened this. I have no idea. They don't tell you. There's 400 of them, and there's 25 that have golden tickets. So chances are okay. So there's so there's 25 golden tickets, 400 total of these bags, 1 in 16 chance that I'll get one. So not the worst, but in the meantime, they guarantee you 2 shirts that are worth more than the 130 or 140 bucks that you pay for it. All right, so before I check this out, I think this is my root beer, which everyone knows I love. I think I'm in the minority of people who like root beer though. All right, so let's open this up, see what we have in here. Try not to cut the shirts themselves. Make sure they're at the bottom, and open this end. See what we have here. All right, so it looks like there's a black and a teal shirt in here. I don't see any golden tickets. No golden ticket. All right, so what do we have? We've got a 9/11 teal tee. That's kind of cool. It's car related. That's pretty neat. So this would be an ASSC shirt. It's 911, and obviously the Porsche 911 Turbo. They've used that font there. I don't know if this is an actual collaboration. They just call it that, but the typical ASSC back. It's a great color. I like this color. I would definitely wear this. I will definitely wear this. So that's a cool shirt. I think these go for about 80, 90, 100 bucks each. So 2 of these together, it's a good value already, even if you don't get a golden ticket. And then this looks like it says KKOCH black tee. All right, let's check this out. So this is a black ASSC shirt. Oh, nice. A floral and butterfly imprint there on the back. A black tee. I like black tees. So let's look that up. All right, so looking this up on Grailed right now, it's about 80 bucks. So even if the other one was only 80 bucks, I'll look that up too. Stadium Goods has it for 95. So as I'm looking this up, whatever KKOCH, that actually is Korean, Kind of like when I was trying to read Hindi on the human races the first time I saw them. This actually is Korean, and it's Korean for flowering plant. That makes a lot more sense given this shirt. And then now we'll look up the teal 911 one. So on Grail, this is going for about 60 bucks. So, you know, still a bit of a value here. eBay has it a little higher, but I kind of like this one more than the other one, but maybe this is more popular. So that's what I've got. 2 t-shirts, a Game of Thrones pair, and an NMD pair. So waiting for this bird to shut up. Quiet. Thank you. Anyway, so these are the before I was so rudely interrupted by nature, these are the latest pickups I've got. Thank you guys for watching, and of course I'll share with you any of the new ones that I get in the future. Obviously I had COVID recently. I haven't been doing anything, going out or anything like that. I'm recovered now. I'm good now that we've tested negative. Me, Harry, Steve will be able to hang out again and also continue our FlexCast. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.